National Electrical Code (NEC) prohibits the use of outdoor landscape wire, often referred to as SBT wire, for indoor wiring applications. This prohibition is rooted in safety considerations and the distinct performance characteristics of SBT wire compared to approved indoor wiring methods. SBT wire is primarily designed and manufactured for low-voltage outdoor landscape lighting systems. Its construction and insulation properties are tailored for direct burial in the earth and exposure to the elements. However, these characteristics are not suitable for the demands placed on electrical wiring within the confines of a building. Firstly, SBT wire typically has a lower voltage rating than the wiring methods approved for general-purpose indoor use. Common household circuits operate at 120 volts or 240 volts, whereas SBT wire is often rated for 30 volts or less. Connecting it to a higher voltage circuit creates a significant risk of insulation breakdown, leading to short circuits, arcing, and potentially electrical fires. Secondly, SBT wire's insulation is not designed to withstand the same levels of heat as that of NMB or UFB wire, which are commonly used indoors. Interior wiring often runs through walls, ceilings, and other enclosed spaces where heat can build up. SBT wire's insulation may degrade over time when exposed to these high temperatures, increasing the risk of electrical failure. Thirdly, SBT wire's moisture resistance is generally inferior to that of wiring approved for indoor use, particularly in damp or wet locations. While SBT wire is designed to withstand moisture in outdoor environments, it may not be adequate for areas within a building that are subject to higher humidity or potential water leaks. The NEC specifically addresses the use of outdoor lighting products indoors in Section 410.29a, stating that outdoor lighting products shall not be used indoors or in wet locations. This requirement is in place to prevent the use of SBT wire and other similar products in applications for which they are not designed. The NEC mandates the use of specific wiring methods for indoor applications to ensure safety and compliance with established standards. For general-purpose wiring, NMB cable, commonly known as Romex, is a widely used option. NMB cable consists of 2 or more insulated conductors wrapped in a non-metallic sheath. It is rated for 600 volts and is suitable for dry locations. UFB cable is another approved wiring method for indoor use, particularly in damp or wet locations. UFB cable has a similar construction to NMB cable, but it is designed to be more resistant to moisture. It is also rated for 600 volts. When installing under cabinet lighting, it is crucial to use the correct type of wire as specified by the NEC and local electrical codes. Using NMB or UFB wire ensures that the wiring system is properly rated for the voltage, temperature, and environmental conditions of the installation. Ignoring these requirements and using SBT wire indoors poses a significant safety risk and violates established electrical codes. The consequences of non-compliance can include electrical fires, property damage, and potential injury or death. It is essential to prioritize safety and adhere to the NEC guidelines when performing any electrical work. If you are unsure about the correct wiring methods for a particular application, consult with a qualified electrician who can provide guidance and ensure that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards. Always remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is crucial to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. Firstly, always disconnect the power supply to the circuit before working on any electrical components. Secondly, use insulated tools and equipment to prevent electrical shock. Thirdly, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Fourthly, never work on electrical systems when you are tired or distracted. Fifthly, if you are not comfortable performing electrical work, hire a qualified electrician to do the job. By following these safety guidelines and adhering to the NEC, you can help to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. The NEC serves as a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in technology and safety practices. Familiarizing yourself with the NEC and consulting with qualified professionals are essential steps in ensuring the safety and reliability of your electrical systems. When it comes to electrical wiring, it is always better to err on the side of caution. Using the correct type of wire and following the NEC guidelines can help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of your home and family. Therefore, do not use outdoor landscape wire indoors.